Hey guys, so the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro is finally official. We have already seen the design and specifications in teasers, but there are a few surprises. So the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro is world's first 108 megapixel penta camera smartphone. It has 5 cameras on back. Yes, 5 freaking cameras. The first one is 5x zoom telephoto camera which can digitally zoom 50x in. Next is the portrait camera which shoots in 2x zoom and blurs the background for bokeh effect. And then comes the huge 108 megapixel camera. This camera can take photos in resolution 12,000 by 9,000. Next one is the wide angle camera and then a macro lens. Now this time Xiaomi beats the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, iPhone 11 Pro Max and even the Pixel 4 with the highest 121 score in DxO mark. Yes, this score is on par with the flagship Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So I think this time Xiaomi is targeting flagship lineup in terms of the camera department. The front design is kinda like the Huawei P30 Pro, but there are a few differences. 6.4 inches OLED panel with curved edges. It has small chain but is surely thick, and that's cause of huge camera sensor, that 108 megapixel camera. You get 3 color options. There's this gorgeous white, green and black. You can also improve the look with the official cases. There are a bunch of color options you can choose from, but for sure I'm not gonna pick this hideous ribbon case. Now specifications wise, the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro gets Snapdragon 730G CPU, has 5260 mAh huge battery with 30 watts fast charging. There is no wireless charging stuff, but Xiaomi showcased how their 30 watts charging is better than Huawei Mate 30 Pro's 40 watts charging. Despite of having such huge battery, it charges in 1 hour 5 minutes. Xiaomi says they have done some changes and improvements in the charging speed, and that's why 30 watts is faster than 40 watts. Seriously? Some other important specifications are it has in-display optical fingerprint sensor, high-resolution audio, NFC, IR blaster and MIUI 11 with all the colorful and exciting features. Now these are overall impressive specifications, and so is the pricing. The Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro 6GB RAM and 128GB internal is priced at 2799 yuan, which is 28,000 Indian rupees /399 US dollars. Then comes the Xiaomi Mi Watch, which has 1.78 inches curved AMOLED panel. It has ceramic back which looks really nice, and it definitely looks like Apple Watch Series 5, but it's cheaper than that. Mi Watch has Snapdragon Wear 3199 CPU, 570 mAh battery which can go 36 hours in a single charge. Yeah, that's what Xiaomi says. Xiaomi is using MIUI 4 watch in this, and there's tons of integrated artificial intelligence thing. Now this watch has all the watchy features which you do find inside any other smartwatches. But what's new is it supports eSIM, it has different modes for different things, has specific speakers which is loud and clear, and is priced at 1299 yuan, which is 180 US dollars. The exclusive Sapphire Glass variant is priced at 1999 yuan. And yeah, that's all. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.